up, guys? It's Jason here. You guys will notice that my room looks a little different, you know what I mean? And that's because I finally found the time to be able to open some boxes that I had packed up away during my move back in October, and I was able to hang up some stuff as well as some additional anime posters that I bought, and I will be buying more posters in the near future because I like to dye up my room. It was something I wasn't able to do as a little kid. I'm doing it now. Also, I've been doing a pretty good job at uploading a lot of the older videos, so if you'll notice, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll notice that there are 2 brand new videos up right now as we speak. Go watch those. I basically did back-to-back editing and uploading. It took me a while to do so. It was kind of a pain to do the first one, not so much a pain to do the second one, but either way, go watch those videos. Put a lot of effort into them. I do have to eventually catch up and try to do the rest of the stuff that I did a ways back. I'm not here to waste your time. We're just gonna get right into it. We got an unboxing video. Unlike the previous unboxing videos, well, there was maybe 1 or 2 that was very similar to the one I'm about to do now. This one's more of a mixed bag, so you know, we're gonna mix it up a little bit. It's not just military surplus. We're gonna do all types of stuff. I bought a whole bunch of stuff against my parents' wishes. What are you gonna do? You know, I like to spoil myself in life. That's enough of me rambling. We're gonna get right into it. I got a bunch of other stuff I have to do. I have to clean my room, and I gotta do a bunch of other important things such as Halo Infinite. So I bought that brand new armor set. I don't even know how the hell you pronounce it. Heck, I said heck. For the YouTube moderators out there somewhere. I did not swear. I swear. Actually, I don't even want to attempt to pronounce it, but it's spelled ULLR. Do with that information what you will. It looked like a pretty cool armor set. I bought it for my Spartan variant. There's like 5 of them so far. I don't know what they're planning to do more with it, but I'm hoping that one of these days they'll introduce cross customization between each of the Spartan cores. That's an entirely different subject altogether, and I want to make this video short. So, without further ado, let's get right into the stuff. First thing we have is another DHL package. It's from Gray Shop. Got one shop all the way out in Russia, and they're currently invading Ukraine, but they're losing a bunch of other stuff. This is another package from Gray Shop. If I have to remind you again, I will. This is a Russian airsoft shop. I ordered some more stuff. I think there's like 3 more things in there. I know because I was the one who ordered it. You guys will figure out very soon. And unlike the last time where I basically tried to get a scissor to open the thing, why not just use the latches? And this time, it came with a little special surprise. It got examined by the ye old U.S. Customs and Border. My package got inspected by basically Border Patrol. That's fun. We love to see that, you know what I mean? They'll investigate anything from people who are seeking asylum to even inconspicuous packages such as this. This is going to be a little bit of a longer video. I swear I'm going to try to make it as short as possible because I have other things to do in life. See, look at that. We didn't even have to use scissors this time. I didn't have to fumble with the scissors. There's like 3 things in here, and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do first. Which one do I want to show off to you guys? So the first thing we have here is a Russian patrol cap. This is a newer variant. You can tell because it has it's a tightening strap. That's what it is. Look at that. It has this little thing in the back. It's kind of like a snapback, you know what I mean? So that's pretty nice. This was made 2016 model. The 2013 models look exactly like this, but they don't have the tightening strap. I decided to get the tightening strap because 1, it looked cool, and 2, it seemed pretty practical. Yeah, so here's the little tightening strap. I think this goes under or something like that. I have no idea. Look at that. Second thing we have, another patch. This says Russia in Russian. There really isn't anything special about that. There was one little spot left on my VKBO jacket. It was like a big old Velcro wrap. It was kind of empty, and I was hoping that the last time they gave me the patches, well, I gave myself the patches. Last time I gave myself the patches, there was the big one, and I was hoping that maybe there would be 2. It turns out there was only 1, so that made things a little bit more complicated. So I have to go and buy myself another patch. But that's okay. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna stick it on there later. Last thing we have, arguably, this is probably the most important thing here because while the hat is cool and the patch is cool, there is something that I'm currently lacking of, and that is a proper belt. Package is empty. We can throw that away. Thanks, Custom Border Services, for grading my package. This is more of a tactical belt. As you can see, it's in a multi-cam pattern, or at least they attempted to make it a multi-cam. These 2 things over here are for your pouches or your MOLLE attachments. So that would mean these are like hooks if you want to attach any additional leg pouches or pistol holster or anything like that. I may not get one in the future. Just putting that out there. It looks pretty cool. It's a bigger type of belt, which is really nice. So that way I won't have to stick with just the East German belt. It's just a simple belt. I thought it looked pretty cool. It's something very useful for my pants because some of them have like really wide belt type of loop. I figured that I would need a bigger belt for that. So that's fun. Let's see what else we have today. So we have the patches. Well, actually just one patch. The patrol cap and the belt that I put over there. Now we're gonna move on to the second set of stuff. So recently I decided when I got out of work early today, I was gonna go hit the mall. I know malls are still a thing because most people do their shopping online. Speaking of shopping online, there was a collaboration between Sailor Moon franchise and Vans, the shoe company. I think they just dropped the customizable ones yesterday. The default ones are going to be hitting retail tomorrow. Whenever this gets uploaded, just know that there was a collab between Sailor Moon and Vans, and I don't know how long that's going to be for. Just putting that out there for people who are very interested, myself included, because I'm a Moonie. I bought 2 shirts from Hot Topic as a perk because they had this buy one get 30% off of another shirt. I got this little Hot Topic dollars that I may or may not use later. Use. So let's see what we have for the first shirt. We have a Fruits Basket t-shirt. This is an anime that I'm currently watching. I really like it. The original came out in 2001. I'm currently watching a remake because I figured, you know, it's the latest. By this time, they've pretty much finished the manga series right around June or July. Maybe this time during June, like later on during the coming weeks, or maybe in July. They're coming out with a prequel. It's called Fruits Basket Preludes. Don't want to spoil anything. Watch the anime first, and then you can figure out what that prequel is later. It looks like a prequel shirt. I like it. It has one of the main characters, and then the 2 you can kind of figure out yourself. Don't want to spoil anything. And speaking of Fruits Basket, I actually do have a poster over there of Fruits Basket. So you can tell my appreciation for this anime is at an all-time high. Also, Braxton Knight also put out a song called, you guessed it, Fruits Basket. There's that. I got another t-shirt. This one is Toilet Bound Hanako-Kun. Apparently, this is based off of a Japanese legend where if you go into like a school bathroom stall and you knock on the door 3 times and you say Hanako-Kun, it's basically the same thing as like Bloody Mary. The idea is that a ghost will come out of the toilet and then drag you into the toilet or something like that. So this was more of like a comedic sort of take on it. I finished the anime in a day and a half or 2. I don't remember off the top of my head. It was a really funny anime and you guys should go watch it. 2 t-shirts from Hot Topic. Last thing we're gonna go through. What you guys may or may not know is that I am a college graduate, and the perks of college graduation is that you get professional pictures. Ta-da! This one actually I had to order because they figured you're an adult now, so you have to pay for your pictures, you little bottom feeder. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open that up. I have to find a frame to put it in because I just ordered the picture itself and not the frame. I will put it on the frame and it'll go up on my wall somewhere. I ordered 1 picture because it was cheap. I was not about to waste all that money. Okay, yeah, this is just a note. I don't know if you guys can see it. The lighting in here is a little bit better just because it's dark outside. It's been raining for like the past day and a half now. And here we have it, my picture. I think it is laminated. Yeah, so it's in a lamination. It has the title of the school, it has commencement, and it has the day that I graduated. Yeah, there's me. Ye old me who graduated from college with a C average. But that's okay, because at least I got my degree still. That's okay. C's get degrees. I'm gonna put this back in here because I need to find a frame to put it in. It makes no sense for me to leave it out in the open. We have the Russian patrol cap. We have the patch that I had to get an emergency. It was kind of an emergency thing because I found out that it didn't have 2 of the big ones the last time I ordered the set of patches. I ordered these. And we have the belt. We have the 2 t-shirts from Hot Topic. We have the Fruits Basket one and Toilet Bound Hanako-Kun. And I also have my graduation pictures for last. You guys get to see my beautiful face twice. Well, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, or evening. Take care, and don't forget to watch the rest of the stuff. I've got a lot of cool stuff coming on along the way. Hopefully you guys will stick around. See ya.